Assalamu alaikum my friends, hope you are all okay. Today I'm going to make it a quick instant mini burger. For sometimes kids they need food and so we don't know what to cook it. So I thought just share with you guys this quick mini burger. So what we need for that, I took it this half kg mince with little bit fat on it so they can easily when we cook it they will be joined, they will be not break it. So I put this in the bowl and I took this 2 red onions. I'm going to chop them. Yes guys, here we will cut these onions in small cubes. Here I give you guys one tip. When you cut your onion like this in small cubes, don't cut the tail like this one. Don't cut it, just leave it as it is. So this your onions will be not separate at all till the end when you will be cut it. So it will be very easy for you guys. As you can see the guys here, my all onions I'm keep cutting it, but they are not getting separate because tail is still there and it's make it join to the whole onions. There we go. Now you can throw it this. Yes guys, we have chopped our all onion. We will be mix it in the bowl. Yes guys, here I'm adding this 2 chilies. If you want you can skip it, but anyway they are not very chili, but they just give you the chili taste. So I'm going to chop this and I will be add this chili as well inside. Yes my friend, I chopped my old chili, so I'll be mixed up with this bowl as well. Here guys, I'm going to add this spring onions. If you guys have a big spring onion, then just use 2. So they are small, so I'm using 4. I'm going to chop them up. Yes guys, I chopped the spring onion. I'll be mixing the bowl as well. I will chop this little bit coriander inside. If you want you can add parsley inside or coriander, whatever you like. I'll be add this coriander inside the bowl. I'm going to add this 4 or 5 leaves of the basil leaf. If you don't have basil leaves, it's not necessary. It's just give you the good taste and very nice smell. It's up to you guys. If you like it you can add it. If you don't like it, it's not really important. All ingredients are added, coriander and stuff. If you want to skip some of them, it's really not, it's totally up to you. They are all just kind of healthy salad type of things, so it's up to you. I like basil, so I add a little bit basil inside. I'm going to add inside this 1 teaspoon of the garlic and 1 teaspoon of the ginger. Here I'm going to add a little bit pomegranate powder, but if you don't have, it's not really necessary. It's up to you. I'm going to add 2 teaspoon sumac powder. This is also optional. If you don't have this sumac powder, that's fine. You can skip off sumac powder. 1 teaspoon crushed red chilli, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Here guys, I will be add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and 1 and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. I will crush them. I will not make them powder, I will just crush them. I will add this coriander and cumin seed crushed inside our bowl. Half teaspoon garam masala. All these chili powders who I added, if you guys don't like some of them or you don't have, you can skip it. It really doesn't matter. It's totally up to you which spices you guys like. Here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of plain flour and I'm going to add these 2 eggs. As usual, salt to taste. Now I will be giving good mix to the all mince and these all ingredients. Yes my friend, I mixed it all my ingredients here. If you want you can keep it for marinade 1 hour, 2 hour or even half hour, or even you can cook it straight away. And to be honest, I'm going to cook straight away. It's lunchtime now, so let's begin. Yes guys, here we will be take a little bit oil in our pan. Yes guys, our oil is hot. We will make it a little ball like this. and I'll suggest you make your hands a little bit wet before you take this mince. And here is small round shape you will be make it, and it's ready to fry. We'll be fry them until they are little golden brown. Guys, look, this very beautiful color came, and it's very nice. Look it to me, very delicious. So we will cook again. It's a medium heat. I cook it, and nearly 3-4 minutes. Guys, it's ready now, all of them. So I'm taking them out from the pan, and let's make the burger now. Same pan, I will make my bun hot. If you guys want to, you can do it, or you can use any other method to make this burger a little bit hot. I like to eat hot. Yes guys, our burgers are ready, so let's prepare the plate. First I will be take this homemade sauce, which is I really like it and is very healthy. I will be put a link in the description how to make it, and you can see on the top is link is coming if you're interested. And this is another sauce I'll be use it, so you choose whichever sauce you guys like it. First my salad here is your choice, any salad you guys like it, or I like this salad. They're very healthy and very good. I'll put a little bit onion in the top. I'll be keep it. One cucumber here. And finally I'll be keep my burger on the top. Then a little bit more sauce here. If you guys want it, you can put it on the top cheese as well, if you guys like cheese, but I don't like cheese, so I'm not putting it cheese. There we go. That's done. That's my burger is ready. Hope guys you like this recipe. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the button like, so next time any recipe I'll be upload, you'll be guys have a notification for this. And please keep me remember in your duas. Inshallah I'll be come next time with the new recipe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.